I'm not sure you can. What are we doing?
Making Christmas presents.
Our project today is making the American Girl sleep masks. Let me move my phone out of the way. So what we did was we took and we measured their eyes with the fabric tape measure, and I measured off every 3/4 inch. We measured 3 inches across, measured off every 3/4 inches, measured 1 inch down here, or 3/4 of an inch here, 1 inch down here, and then we used the edge of this to make our edges round. So that's how we made our pattern, and I don't know if we're going to do ties or elastic yet. We'll have to see what materials we have, but we have 3 felt colors so we can try out to see how they work. And all we're going to do is take the chalk, and oh, we have a 4th color too. We're going to take the chalk and we're going to trace these out, and we're going to cut these out, and then we're going to attach whatever we're going to attach to it, and just make cute little face masks for Josefina and Mary Ellen. And they'll be Christmas presents for Sarah and Rebecca. So shh.
I'm so scared of using these.
Slowly, be careful. If they're not working for you, you can switch scissors.
Can I use the...
Oh look, it's perfect.